Hey guys, thought I'd show you a little scrapping video. Always taking things apart, trying to look for unique found object parts for the diorama prop business, basically. So, someone dumped a bunch of junk on the street not far from our house, and my sister and wife were going for a walk, and one of the items, well, actually three of the items were old hair, I don't know what they're called, the things you crimp your hair with, hair crimpers, I guess. Anyway, there were three of them, as you can tell by the three lights there, and to have little asbestos type, it's just asbestos, they don't use asbestos anymore, but something that doesn't burn, and little circuits, resistors. I made a little robot guy just setting them up here. Look at all the different little parts. And then the other thing is these plastic parts. It could be some kind of panels. I'm thinking these would look cool on a vehicle. And then the other thing I took apart was a couple broken lighters. You know, the wand type of lighters. This one is kind of cool because it has a flexible neck, a gooseneck type thing. So you get these, you get tubes. This is the inner tube, it's plastic. You get these, you get the little clear plastic tubes that the butane flows through. You get a couple sparkers, and some of the little internal pieces, wires, yeah, handles. So, what am I going to do with this junk? I do not know, but sooner or later some of it will show up. It's kind of cool. These are like extruded aluminum pieces. Yeah, so that's what I do sometimes. If I can only find one or two parts that I use in the future, it's worth it, to me at least, because I'm all about the found object stuff and the unique different parts. So for my little circuit board robot guy, I'm out.